The contribution of Dr. Manmohan Singh during his 10 years as a Prime Minister of India is huge that we cannot count. Not only Manipur, the entire Northeast, how much he loved. Everybody knows during his time, the Northeast, particularly Manipur, cannot be compared with the other resourceful states. Therefore, he organized that the Northeast should be at the status of category, special category status. So under this special category status, there is a lot of financial assistance is there. For example, an SPA, under the special category status, special plan assistance. Under that head, we have constructed capital project like Assembly, High Court, Civil Secretariat in the far-flung area of the interior, like in the hill district, almost all the hill district, the administrative backbone like district mini secretariat, district hospital, in the power sector, lot of the power substation we have already constructed. Say, for example, from Chursampur to Thalon, it costs alone 100 crore. So all these type of development project we have taken up during his tenure. Therefore, we cannot forget Dr. Manmohan Singh, his contribution towards Northeast, particularly Manipur.
And sir, please say something about the Kangla.
Kangla, as you know, during his tenure, he came, he handed over to the people of Manipur. You know how many years back Manipur is demanding handing over of Kangla to the people of Manipur.